Welcome everyone to another video on mandalas. As I told you, mandalas is a Sanskrit word which means circle. It is a geometric configuration of symbols. This is a simple mandala which I have done. One side is the pencil drawing and the other is the colors that I filled in it. Initially, mandalas was used to increase focus among children and adults. This is another mandala which I have drawn. The first one is the pencil drawing and the second is the colors which I have filled. Mandalas are also known as connections with self and the universe at large. You may be wondering what are the purpose of doing mandalas. It is believed to help transform ordinary minds into enlightened ones and to assist with healing. It represents what's happening in our unconscious minds. It promotes mindfulness, focus attention, and promote healing. It is also found in clinical studies that it boosts the immune system, reduces stress and pain, lowers blood pressure, promotes sleep, and eases depression. Isn't it wonderful? Indians have been using mandalas unconsciously and unknowingly for many years. Look at the Mehndi design. It represents mandalas, and Mehndi is a part of our culture. But we were unaware of this thing. Were you aware? Now, look carefully at the carpets in the picture. See the design. They also represent mandalas. We love carpets, but we don't realize that everything has some meaning behind it. There is a reason that certain things are done in a certain way. So, next time when you go to buy carpets, do see that the designs are mandalas, and that's why you love picking carpets and having it in your houses. If you visit any ancient churches, museums, even temples, or other religious places, look at the architectural design inside those temples or churches, museum, and so on. You will see that those designs are nothing but mandalas. That makes it look so pretty, and we feel very nice visiting those places. Have you all paid attention to these details while going to any of these places? Mandalas has been with us since ancient times and also part of many religions. Look at the pictures. You can see Buddhism, Jainism, and many more religions are associated with mandalas. Thank you everyone for watching.